Yo, what is going on? So this is how to find combo cards in Hamster Kombat. So the first step is to check the Mine tab. One of the standout features in Hamster Kombat is the Mine tab, where players can find and upgrade specific combinations of cards, including the combo cards. This selection allows you to identify and enhance combo cards. Daily combo cards change randomly every 24 hours. To stay updated, refresh the page or check the Hamster Kombat Telegram bot regularly. 3. Telegram bot. You can use Hamster Kombat Telegram to access the daily combo cards. Make sure you refresh the page and check the bot for the latest information. Tabs to check. You can find the daily combo cards in the following tabs within the Hamster Kombat app. PR and Team tab, for example, BizDev Team. Market tab, example, meme coins. Specials tab, example, Hamster Book. Yeah, so 5. Combo card composition. Each day a new card may appear as one of the cards in the daily combo set. You should check the composition of the daily combo cards regularly. To earn 5 million coins daily, you need to improve the level of the 3 cards that participate in the daily combo set. Focus on upgrading these cards to maximize your coin earnings. And that's everything.